guys, I'm standing among all the citrus at Stokely Garden Express. They have so many different varieties here. I've never seen a variegated orange before, but here we are. I'm standing in front of one. Also around me, there's blood oranges. They have satsumas. They have Meyer lemons. All of these grow in our area, as you may know. Just make sure that you are planting them far enough apart because these plants do get big eventually. It won't be right now, but they will eventually get really, really big and take over a space. But they'll also provide you with some amazing fruit. Grapefruit, have you guys had the grapefruit around here? I've just recently discovered grapefruit trees in my own neighborhood. So if you guys don't have a citrus tree, I think you need to add one. I think they're really essential to everyone's landscape. And of course, this time of year is the best time to plant them. It's the best time to plant anything, but it's a good time to plant citrus too, even though they are fruiting right now. And you guys know, it is flu season, and it's also when citrus comes to ripen during the season too. Isn't that interesting that we need our vitamin C when we're sick and it comes to ripen when like the cold and flu season comes around? It's just a cool thing. So anyway, go get yourself a plant and you'll have your own source of vitamin C all year round.